welcome to the world of steampunk. Steampunk is so cool. It's like stepping back in time, but with a twist. Imagine Victorian England meets the Industrial Revolution. It's all about gears, gadgets, and a touch of magic. Think elegant ladies and gentlemen in fancy clothes. Now picture them with awesome inventions and gadgets. That's steampunk. It's a world of imagination and creativity. Ready to create your own steampunk persona? Let's get started. Every steampunk outfit starts with the basics. For ladies, think corsets and long skirts. Corsets cinch your waist for a classic silhouette. Long skirts add a touch of elegance. Gentlemen, a waistcoat is a must-have. It adds a dapper touch to any shirt. Pair it with trousers or even some sturdy breeches. Don't forget a pair of sturdy boots. Remember, these are just the basics. You can add your own personal flair. Accessories are where steampunk truly comes alive. Goggles are a must. They protect your eyes from fictional steam and look super cool. A top hat adds an air of sophistication. Decorate it with gears, feathers, or even a miniature airship. And don't forget a pocket watch. It's a classic steampunk accessory. The more unique your accessories, the better. Let your imagination run wild. Section 4. DIY Delight. Crafting your own steampunk goggles. Ready to make your own steampunk goggles? This project is perfect for anyone who loves the steampunk aesthetic and enjoys hands-on crafting. Whether you're a seasoned cosplayer or a beginner looking to dive into the world of DIY, these goggles are a fantastic addition to your costume repertoire. It's easier than you think. First, gather your materials. Having everything you need at your fingertips will make the process smoother and more enjoyable. You'll need a pair of cheap sunglasses, which will serve as the base for your goggles. These can be found at any dollar store or thrift shop. Next, you'll need some craft foam, glue, and paint. Craft foam is versatile and easy to work with, making it ideal for creating the intricate details that give steampunk goggles their unique look. Cut the craft foam into interesting shapes like gears or wings. These shapes will add a mechanical and whimsical touch to your goggles. Don't be afraid to get creative with your designs. Glue them onto the sunglasses. Make sure to arrange the pieces in a way that looks balanced and visually appealing. You can layer the foam shapes to create depth and dimension. Once the glue is dry, which might take a few hours depending on the type of glue you use, you're ready for the next step. Paint everything in metallic shades like copper or bronze. These colors are quintessential to the steampunk style, giving your goggles that aged industrial look. You can also add touches of gold or silver for extra flair. Voila! You've got your very own pair of steampunk goggles. These goggles are not only a great accessory for your steampunk outfit, but also a testament to your creativity and crafting skills. Wear them with pride at your next cosplay event or steampunk gathering, and be prepared for compliments on your handiwork. Remember, the beauty of DIY projects is that each piece is unique. No two pairs of goggles will be exactly the same, and that's what makes them special. So don't worry about making them perfect. Just have fun with the process and let your imagination run wild. You can also customize your goggles further by adding additional elements like small chains, faux leather straps, or even tiny LED lights for a modern twist. The possibilities are endless, and the more you experiment, the more unique your creation will be. So gather your materials, set up your crafting space, and get started on your steampunk goggles today. It's a fun and rewarding project that will leave you with a one-of-a-kind accessory. Happy crafting! Section 5. Layering and customizing, make it your own. Steampunk fashion is all about expressing your individuality and creativity. It's a genre that allows you to step into a world of fantasy and adventure where you can be whoever you want to be. Whether you're a seasoned cosplayer or just starting out, the key to a great steampunk outfit is layering and customizing. Let's dive into how you can make your steampunk attire truly unique and reflective of your personal style. Layering is key in steampunk fashion. Start with a base layer, such as a simple shirt or blouse, and build upon it. Think of your outfit as a canvas, where each layer adds depth and character. You can use a variety of fabrics, from lace and velvet to leather and wool. The more textures you incorporate, the richer and more interesting your outfit will become. Don't be afraid to experiment with different combinations to see what works best for you. Add vests, jackets, and coats for extra depth. These pieces not only add warmth and structure to your outfit, but also provide an opportunity to showcase intricate details and embellishments. Look for items with brass buttons, lace trims, and unique patterns. You can even add a corset for a more dramatic effect. Remember, the goal is to create a look that is both cohesive and eye-catching. Don't be afraid to mix and match different textures and fabrics. Personalization is everything. Visit local thrift stores, fabric shops, and online marketplaces to find unique materials that speak to you. The beauty of steampunk fashion is that there are no strict rules, so you have the freedom to create something truly one of a kind. Consider adding patches, embroidery, or even hand-painted designs to make your outfit stand out. Add gears, clocks, or other gadgets to your outfit. These elements are quintessential to the steampunk aesthetic and can transform a simple outfit into a mechanical marvel. You can find these items at craft stores, online shops, or even repurpose old watches and machinery. Attach them to your clothing, hats, or accessories to give your outfit a distinctive steampunk flair. The more creative you are, the more impressive your ensemble will be. You can even create a backstory for your steampunk persona. This adds an extra layer of depth to your character and can make your cosplay experience more immersive. Think about who your character is, where they come from, and what their story is. Are they an intrepid explorer, a brilliant inventor, or a cunning airship pirate? Share your backstory with fellow enthusiasts and watch as your character comes to life. Remember, there are no rules in steampunk. The genre is all about breaking boundaries and exploring new possibilities. Whether you prefer a more traditional Victorian look or a futuristic twist, there's room for every style in the steampunk world. Don't be afraid to push the envelope and try something new. The most important thing is to stay true to your vision and have fun with it. The most important thing is to have fun and express your creativity. Steampunk is a community that celebrates individuality and imagination. Attend conventions, join online forums, and connect with other enthusiasts to share ideas and inspiration. The more you immerse yourself in the steampunk culture, the more you'll discover about your own creative potential. So go ahead, make it your own, and let your imagination soar. Section 6. Show off your steampunk style. Once you've created your awesome steampunk outfit, it's time to show it off. You've put in the hard work, the creativity, and the passion to bring your steampunk vision to life. Now it's your moment to shine and share your unique creation with the world. Attend a steampunk convention or event. These gatherings are the perfect place to meet like-minded enthusiasts who share your love for the genre. You'll find a welcoming community eager to see your outfit and exchange ideas. You can even just wear it out and about. Imagine the surprise and delight on people's faces as you stroll through the city in your steampunk attire. It's a great way to spread the joy and intrigue of steampunk fashion. Share photos of your creations online. Social media platforms are a fantastic way to reach a broader audience. Snap some high-quality photos of your outfit and post them on your favorite platforms. Use hashtags like #steampunk and #cosplay. These hashtags will help other steampunk enthusiasts find your posts and connect with you. It's a great way to build a network of friends and followers who appreciate your style. You might even inspire others with your unique style. Your creativity can spark new ideas and encourage others to explore their own steampunk fashion journeys. Steampunk is all about community and creativity. Join local steampunk groups or online forums where you can share tips, tricks, and inspiration. Collaborate on projects and attend meetups to keep the creative energy flowing. So go out there, have fun, and let your imagination soar. Embrace the adventure and the endless possibilities that steampunk offers. Whether you're a seasoned cosplayer or new to the scene, there's always something new to discover and enjoy in the world of steampunk.